Hi, it's David in the Stained Glass Studio, and I wanted to talk a little bit about cutting zinc today. Now, in the past, I've shown a video on this saw, and I like it a lot. It's got a 4-inch blade on it. It's really easy to use, but it's not as easy to get these kind of blades anymore. So I've got the blade running, and I take the window itself, and I put it right up against the blade. And you see, I run the blade right along the zinc, and that gives me a guide. See how slick that is? So one of the people who saw the video told me about a different saw that you can get from Harbor Freight, and I want to show you that. I ordered one. I haven't used it yet, but here it is. It's called a Drill Master 2-inch bench top cutoff saw. And so it shows you what it's going to look like, and here it is. And that's a nice little unit. I bought 3 replacement blades for it, and you can see it's got the nice little tiny teeth that you need for cutting this kind of metal. Cost me a couple bucks is all for those extra blades. Now there's a blade in it already. It comes with a blade, and you have to push this unit here over in order to go down. It's actuated by this button right here. So let's give it a try. I'm going to plug it in on my workbench. So it's got this little clamp here. I don't know if I'll use it very often, but still in all, that's pretty nice. I'll be able to use it when I'm just cutting it to the right length. And so it's going to come down right there. What do you think? Pretty great. Saws it just like we needed it to. And this little guy is not very expensive from Harbor Freight. And like I said, it comes with a saw blade, but you can buy more for just a couple of bucks. So I believe this is the better value now. And so that's what I think you ought to go for when you're looking for something to be able to cut your zinc. So this has been David in the Stained Glass Studio. I hope you like the video, and follow us, subscribe, and click on the bell notification. And, and join us on Patreon. Talk to you later. Bye.